shores. There wasn't a lot of dirt or something. We were able to talk to them a bit, and I still have a pretty vivid memory about.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Rod here. I'm at the Henry Cove. It's May 7th, 2023, around 1:25 p.m. Just here for a quick overnight trip. Ooh, this tree is so green now. A lot of day hikers and backpackers coming back in. So I'm on the Frog Trail now. It's only a couple miles to Frog Lake. I wanted to do an easier trip without any climbing, just to see how my body's doing, not stress it too much. So I'm carrying a lot lighter load today. It's around 23 pounds total, with a little over 1.5 liters of water and too much food for an overnight trip. But I'm bringing the hammock, leaving behind the chair. For the tarp, I'm bringing the hammock gear, journey with the doors, because the chance of rain tonight, overnight, and maybe a little bit of wind, so a little bit of protection might be helpful. So yeah, just a pretty chill, easy trip. And I'm testing out the backpack more, having it sit a little bit higher just so it doesn't hit like my tailbone. I was thinking maybe it was causing some of my pinched nerve problems. I don't know, maybe it's just the way I was walking, or all my inactivity during the winter months. But yeah, I feel strong now. Did a lot of hip mobility workouts, so yeah, I feel good. Made it to the campsite. Chill. Didn't bring my chair because I didn't need one, since we got a bench here. Got some day hikers below and at the lake chatting away. Got got a bunch of line lock hooks, makes it easier. Got a shock cord here, so keeps tension. Got shorter or smaller shock cord for the doors with line locks, so that this opens easy. And let's see, for the hardware, I got Dutch wear stingers. I like it when it's split right here for the Tarp bridge line, so the hammock strap doesn't get tangled up with this. It just kind of hangs between. So I got the Myers Tech hybrid Dyneema straps, and I'm just tying it myself here. I forgot what the knot is, but yeah, no hardware for the straps. I just tied it up. And I got some more shock cord here for the side tie out, so I can use my trekking pole to give more space. Got my little bag of bits and bulbs down there that I used. So what do we got here? Got the hammock gear under quilt 20 degree. Hammock gear top quilt custom 20 degree. Hammock gear pillow, down pillow. And got my little LED lights along the ridge line. Make it a little cozy. And here's my clothes bag. Let's see, got a mitten hook here to attach the underquilt to the hammock, just so it kind of stays together and makes it a little bit more open to enter the hammock easier. Same for the other side. And here's my custom made soft shackles, made with the Dutch wear hook and needle or hook and something tools. And it's my ditty bag to have a shock cord and another mitten hook. Yeah, should be pretty warm in here. Got some freeze-dried refried beans, some instant rice, and taco seasoning. So it's basically skirka beans without the Fritos. Really cheap and filling. Good amount of protein. Yeah, it's really good. My go-to backpacking dinner. Got some steak seasoning, Jack Daniels. It's really good. And just some extra olive oil for more calories. Just walking down to the lake. Got the Cnoc Vecto. Not too bad. Pretty clear. A little bit of sediment, but wow, there's a lot of fishing lures up there. Oh, that's nice. Got one of my soft shackles on the Cnoc Vecto, so I just clipped it onto the Dutch wear stinger, and with the Sawyer squeeze coupler, got a gravity hang going. There's a chance of rain tonight, so I set up a drip line on the suspension. For the last catch is the Evo loop. Alright, just chilling in the hammock now. It's getting a little chilly outside, but it's pretty warm and toasty in here. Take a look around. Got the cool LED lights on. Duty bag. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna chill out for a bit. Maybe watch some movies. I was gonna bring my Nintendo Switch, but yeah, I wanted to go a little bit lighter weight today. Yeah, so far so good. Morning. It's about 8:30. It's pretty cold, maybe like 45, but stayed really warm. A little bit of draft got in the morning, but steeled that up and back to sleep. Last night I just watched an episode of Tales from the Loop, which was really good. Enjoying that series. So today I'm just gonna chill out and maybe get up and do a little bit of fishing and just head back. Oh, got one right away. Sweet. Where you going? Was that a bluegill? Or was it a crappie? A bluegill. Wow. Sweet. All right, all packed up. Leave no trace. It's been a good trip. It's been a while, over a month. So, spending all that time just trying to strengthen my hips and ankles and just trying to get better mobility. Just gotta appreciate that I could still get out here so I can enjoy the moments like this. Looked like that was cow fire. They're setting up piles of wood to burn for a controlled burn, which is a good thing with the heat coming up. Almost back. been a good trip. Just making sure I'm landing in the right place. My feet and pushing off. Trying to make sure I have good posture when I'm hiking too. Alright, home stretch. Back at the headquarters. Seems pretty quiet. It's Monday, so hopefully I'll be back sooner now. My hips are feeling pretty good. So, yeah, go ahead and leave a comment or suggestion if you found this video helpful. Yeah, have a good one.
Yeah, I don't think there's anything necessarily wrong. I mean, I can understand the viewpoint of you want to stay on the trail, but that was awesome. I remember going into the